Welcome to Bike Tracker, your go-to channel for the latest bike reviews, news, and comparisons. Today, we are talking about a brand new launch in the 125 cubic centimeters segment that's making waves, the new 2025 Hero Xtreme 125R. In this video, we'll cover everything from design and performance to features and price. Let's get started. Design and looks. The Hero Xtreme 125R 2025 comes with an aggressive and sporty design. It features a muscular fuel tank, sharp LED headlamps, and bold graphics that give it a strong street presence. The split seat and sporty exhaust add to its street fighter appeal, making it especially attractive for young riders. Engine and performance. This bike is powered by a 124.7 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine that produces around 11.4 brake horsepower. It's paired with a 5-speed gearbox. The ride quality is smooth and ideal for daily city commuting. You can also expect impressive mileage, around 60 km per litre, which is typical of Hero's fuel-efficient bikes. Features and technology. Hero has added modern features to the Xtreme 125R. It comes with a full digital instrument cluster, LED lighting, single-channel ABS, and Hero's i3S technology, idle start-stop system. These features make it one of the most advanced bikes in its segment. Braking and suspension. The bike offers a front disc brake and a rear drum brake, supported by single-channel ABS for added safety. It also comes with telescopic front forks and a 7-step adjustable rear monoshock suspension, ensuring a comfortable ride even on bumpy roads. Price and variants. The 2025 Hero Xtreme 125R is available in two variants, standard and connected. The starting price is around 95,000 Indian rupees ex-showroom, which is quite competitive considering the features. The connected variant includes additional tech like smartphone connectivity. Final verdict. If you're looking for a stylish, fuel-efficient, and feature-rich 125 cubic centimeters bike, the Hero Xtreme 125R 2025 is definitely worth considering. It offers modern design, useful technology, and the reliability of Hero's service network, all in one solid package. That was our detailed review of the new 2025 Hero Xtreme 125R. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Tracker for more exciting bike updates. Ride safe and ride smart. See you in the next video.